So UPS said 3 o'clock, and it's actually 3:05. The parts came about 3 minutes early. So this is the box from Mondo Kart. I'm already impressed. They got a list of all the parts and the quantity, and they circle them, and they actually put initials on there, so somebody's responsible. I'm already impressed with this joint. Let's open it up and see what the stuff looks like. I need something to cut her open with. I'll be right back. Exacto. Two days from Italy. Unbelievable. Went from Italy to Germany. From Germany to Newark, New Jersey. From Newark, New Jersey to somewhere in Pennsylvania. Then to Kentucky, to Ohio, to Detroit, and then to my door. So here it's look, it's all bubble wrapped. Everything's packaged up real nice. So far, so good. It's like a bubble wrap bag with parts in it. Main bearings, silver top end bearing, and 2 sets of seals. Meteor piston. These got to be my reeds. Another bubble wrap bag wrapped in what looks like to be cardboard or something to keep them from getting bent or broke or whatever, but yep, that's them. Didn't mention high tension, low tension. I'm hoping that since they're sprint kart guys, maybe they're low tension, but now they feel pretty stiff. I'll have to measure them, the thickness of them, and compare them to what we've got in there now, but doesn't matter. I'm happy already. Let's see what this rod looks like. Wow. Wow. It's as impressive as it was on the internet.
Christmas time.
Yeah.
Oh, look how sweet that is.
That is beautiful, isn't it? It's got Mondo Kart etched right into it. I don't know if you can see that. But it's got the size and the length, dimensions and all that stuff. Mondo Kart Racing. So, bingo. There we go. Oops, she's well lubed up. Get the bearing in there, washers and all that stuff. So we're happy. We get everything we need to start working on getting her put back together. So that's what we'll do. From Racing Roseville, it's Bub and Chuck saying see you later.